Preparing shark curry. So I've got about 900 grams of shark. Cut them into small bits and with the bone. Now for the masala, I've got 1 onion and about 10 peppercorns. I've put them already here. About half teaspoon of mustard seeds, and this is about half teaspoon of cumin seed or jeera. About 10-12 Kashmiri chilies, about half teaspoon of turmeric powder I've already put in that, and about 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. I'm putting it with skin, so doesn't matter, wash them, and I'll grind this and make a masala. Now this is for this crushed garlic, 4 cloves. For seasoning, oil about 3 tablespoons, salt and vinegar to taste. A little vinegar I'll put it in this for grinding, about 2 tablespoons, and then balance water, I'll use it. I've ground the masala now, and this is a masala water. So kept a pan and adding about those 3 tablespoons of oil. When it is hot, I will add this crushed garlic and then add the ground masala and fry it on slow flame. So this is optional now. I am adding 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. If you don't want to add, don't add. There's no problem. And when it is hot, now I put the crushed garlic. Fry it for about 30 to 45 seconds and then add the masala. Masala and fry it, close it and fry it on slow flame for about 10 minutes and then add the masala water. The masala is fried, now it's turned brown. It's like, so now you add the masala water. Salt, about 3/4 teaspoon salt, about 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and when it's boiling, then add the fish pieces and then cook for about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. The curry is boiling. I'm adding the fish on slow flame. Let it cook for about 5 minutes. Curry is now ready. You can have it with rice or any Sannas or dosa or Panpole or anything.